Okay, today I'm going to talk about HemoHIM, which is a very signature product for Atomy. And then to start with, I want to have some disclaimer first, because this presentation may be very unusual. I'm going to go deep into the knowledge part and then not on the topic which are already discussed on YouTube or any other uh, channel which you found. So let's see and hope for the best. Okay, let's see what is Atomy HemoHIM. Just a simple thing. HemoHIM is Atomy's signature functional health supplement, developed as a part of Korean National Science Project conducted by KERI, which is called Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, in the year 1997. Way back in 1997, it was developed, and then it has been approved by the Korean Food and Drug Administrations, and the best-selling product in Korean network marketing industry for 5 consecutive years. All right, which is a big thing. So the courtesy is from Korea Trade Commissions 2015 and 19. So on the general front, you can see here on the right side what Atomy HemoHIM exactly is. It's like it will show you about the product name, the product type, and then you can see the cautions here, like please consult your physicians if you have allergies, not recommended for children under 6 years, women who are pregnant, nursing, expecting, blah, 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 and so and so. And then the recommended subjects who should have HemoHIM are also given here in the product one, like elders who need energy restoration, workers exhausted from long hours, students that need physical endurance, long distance drivers, housewife worn out of stress of housework, athletics who consume a lot of physical energy. So these are the general thing which is shown on the product itself, on the product material itself. And this had been seen by everyone, and then will be able to understand by just by reading this as well. But the topic which I'm going to discuss today will be a bit different. Here, there's a big why. So it's spinning around, so it's spinning around your head, all right? So why I say why is because there are lots of health supplement products in the world. Not only Atomy have it, but I won't name the specific product or the company brand, but you'll see lots of things, product in the market, which people will say that this is very good for this and this and this. Then as India, when it comes to India, India is the biggest market, and then we are a big country, and then the Ayurvedic medicines and the in pharmaceutical, we are very advanced. So how we are going to approach and sell this and share the goodness of Atomy product, we need to know the basic truth about the Atomy. That is what I'm trying to cover in this presentation. On the screen, you'll see the supplement facts. Here you'll see in one packet, I'll see this packet. Inside this, what are the amount of calories and the sugar and the protein and the read this one. It's a proprietary blend of herbal extract, 10 gram. Now we're going to talk about this one. We have a patent information on the right side. This proprietary blend, that means the company Atomic doesn't want to disclose these things in the market, so that it is a protected inventions protected by a patent. So this patent is registered in Korea, Japan, US, and in EP countries. These are the designated EP countries like Austria, Belgium, Great Britain, Italy, Spain, like 27 countries it is designated. So It is not a small things or a small product which we are talking about right now. This is a invented, patented, and then owned by Atomy company. So that means nobody can produce this without the license of the Atomy company, right? Now, Korean language may be a bit difficult, EP, and also I'll focus on these US patent applications. This is the United States patent database. I extracted from that one. And then I'm going to focus on the abstract and on the title of this one. So the title itself indicates herbal composition for improving anti-cancer activity, immune response, and hematopoiesis of the body and protecting the body from oxidative damage and the method and preparing of the same. And here on the abstract, we are going to focus on the abstract part right here. If you see any other product in the market, people can just advertise themselves that this is the best product or there's no one who can produce like this type of product. But in reality, it is not the same. But in like applications like patent, you cannot disclose a lie. You have to tell the exact truth. So that is why in US patent applications, if you read the abstract, these are the abstract of the United States patent. So I want to read out the second paragraph. The herbal compositions of the present invention is effective in improving the anti-cancer activity, immune response, and hematopoiesis of the body, and protecting the body from oxidative damages. Therefore, by simulating the recovery from the damage to the immune functions and hematopoietic functions, often occurring during the hematography and radiography, and inhibiting oxidative damages. The herbal composition can be applied for the prevention of the side effect of cancer therapy, as well as for the prevention of various degenerative chronic diseases and the improvement of health of the weak and the elderly. So what we disclose in the beginning and what we tell our consumer that this can help the cancer patients and any other chronic disease recovering. That means we are not lying, and this is the true fact, and which shows through the US patent applications. That is what I want to point out today. And for consuming the safety, we have the certificate of the analysis of the safety. That means it is safe enough to have it. And then it is 100% vegetarian, and there's no gelatin or whoever concerned about the non-veg things. This is a 100% vegetarian product. So in the beginning, Atomy HemoHIM was like 30 packets, and then it keeps on increasing to 48, 54, and now we have 60 packet in a set. So later on, these are the same prices. And the best things about HemoHIM product is this. It carries 54,600 points just by buying one HemoHIM set. So earning your own personal PV will be very easy. So I hope you'll enjoy these presentations, and thank you.